Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check computer RAM amount. Chapter 1. How to check computer RAM amount from Task Manager. Open the Task Manager from the Start menu. There you will go to the Performance section. In the Memory section, you can find all the details of your RAM memory. Chapter 2. How to check computer RAM amount from About. Let's enter the word About in the search box. Open About your PC. Here in the line Installed RAM, you find the amount of RAM on your computer. Chapter 3. How to check computer RAM amount from System Information. Enter MS Info 32 in the search box. Click on System Information. In the line Installed Physical Memory, you find the total RAM on your PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.